Hey guys, welcome to Brand New Video Guys, and in today's video we're going to be talking about strings of methods of strings. Now let's go right here. Now we don't really need to go here because we're going to be talking about strings, which we already did, but still. Now let's remember what they were. They were anything between those quotation marks, like hello Sammy 2000 or the Japanese Chinese character. Now let's go to Google Colab, create a new code, and let's get started. Now let's create a string. Just hi. Alright. Now let's say you have a task to print hi or a 1,000 times. What will you do? You can't just go ahead and do like this, and you can't be like, hey, it will take you forever to just do this, and this is the fastest I can do. You see, it's only this much, but we need 1,000 of them. So what are we gonna do? It's so simple. We're gonna go delete this. We're gonna say times 1,000. So what we're doing is we're going to be multiplying or making hi or a 1,000 times. So we're gonna be doing it. Hi, like, it's so easy. You can even do 10,000 or 100,000, and boom. Now let's create another variable. Let's say state is equal to New York. Wait, we have to put in quotation marks to make a string, right? Yeah. Now let's say we want to change this New York to New Jersey. How are we going to be doing that? It's going to be the same variable, same everything, but it's just going to be New Jersey. Now we can't do this. Let's say state is equal to, or no, let's say do this. We're gonna do this, so from the beginning to all the way to number 3. Because why? This is index 0, index 1, index 2, and index 3, but index 3 is not counted. Now let's go ahead and print that. We're gonna have new. Now let's assign this to a variable. Let's call it first. Actually, no. Yep, first. Now let's run it again. Okay. Now, look, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna say print. Okay. In the middle, we're gonna say first. First. There we go. Just the first. There we go. Now we're going to say first plus Jersey. Right. First is, I did not run this. Wait, we have to run this. Now we can run this. There we go. We made New Jersey from New York. Now let's go to methods. Now we still have state, right? New York, great. We're going to be saying state point, and we're gonna get all these different things, lines of things. Now we're going to be only talking about a few of them because it would take a really long time to talk of every single one of these. So we're gonna say state upper and parentheses and gonna run it. Now what upper does is, as you can see, it makes every single letter in it an uppercase. Now let's say state Explorer. Now you can guess what this does. It puts everything inside the string into a lowercase. Now we're going to be trying something a little bit different. So we're gonna say A is equal, or B is equal to a really long string. Let's say, hey there, my fella friend. And we're going to be just saying that, okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do b dot split parentheses, and we're gonna run it. Now what did it change from this to this? So what is the difference? So this is just one string, one line of string, or it's just the one string. Even though if it had one letter or thousands of or 100,000s of words in it, it's still going to be one string. So we have one string here, but what this split does is it splits it into different strings. But where does it split it from? That's the question. And the answer to that is, since we don't have anything between these parentheses, it splits it from the spaces right here. Now let's actually put something between those parentheses. We're gonna say E. We're gonna write it. We have, this. So it splits it from E. So we have H. So H is just one string. Splits it from E, goes to Y. Since there's nothing right here until this E, it prints Y space TH, splits from E, or splits it from E. So you get the point. So there's so many you guys can explore in here. If you guys have the time to go over all of these, feel free. There is a lot. They do different things, but this will be it for today's video. It's short and it's easy. Hope you guys understood today's video, and see you guys in a brand new video.